G'day viewers, Ivan here from Peak Offroad, Wetherill Park, Sydney, Australia. We've got a little bit of an announcement to make, and we're really happy and proud to bring a product to the market here in Australia that we've been associated over for the last 3 years. It's been a long time coming, and for us here, really it's been a bit of a privilege working with Jonathan and the team from Geyser Systems over there in America. And you know, when you've got good people working hard to make a product to save water and be something that's very user-friendly and a fairly robust unit as well. Just a little bit of a history. We started off when I first met Jonathan, who's the CEO of Geyser Systems Australia, Geyser Systems, was in Troop Carriers of Australia. So good shout out to those guys. They're a good bunch of lads doing good things. We were at a place called Freezing for a Reason up in Sydney, and here was Jonathan, and he had this little heater. And for the last 3 years, I've been using this as my primary shower, the original one. So you can see how the difference is, comparatively speaking, from something very prehistoric to something like this. Again, I'm not going to go with a review of the product. I think there's plenty of people out there who are doing a great job on the review, and also on our channel or on the website, you'll actually see a full how to use this item. It's a pretty straightforward. I'll just go really quickly. Sponge, hose, water, goes in, you turn it on, turn it off, hot water one, cold water one. So one that you actually have to put a little bit of hot water to make it work. These can run continuous, and you can wash your dishes. There's many different sponges as well. What I want to say is we've had a long time to bring this out, and we have to thank a few people. One is obviously Troop Carriers Australia for getting us all together. The second one is the Kickstarter guys. They've been waiting a long time. They've put their money up to help get this company up and running, and they've been waiting nearly close to 1.5 or 2 years, and we've just sent our first ones last week out to those guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and also the hoodie towel as a special gift as well. So a big shout out to those guys for having the vision and helping startup companies like this get off the ground. Without them, really, it's too hard to borrow money off the banks. The banks don't like you. To the guys from Geyser, their hard work and fantastic. Can't say more about that. We had the way you can get one of these is go straight to www.geysersystems.com.au if you're in Australia, and just .com if you're in America, and we'll see what we can do. So all the everything, the postage is already done there. Also on the website there's some reviews. There's also the how-to, and for us, we're in the Peak Offroad, we're a little bit behind the background because this is a separate entity, and really it's something that we're pretty passionate about. So going from my antiquated old one to the new one, fantastic. The other thing is there are some new products going to come out. There's going to be a jerry can holder. So you guys who want to mount it in your canopy or on your cargo barriers or whatever, you'll be able to have a holder for this as well. So that's actually in the pipeline. There's also a lot of other different decoration wise. There is a camo one coming out, which I am going to have the first one in Australia. So yes, hurry up, Jonathan, get the camo one out. Again, thank you to all the guys who've made this all happen. It's a bit of cheerio to them. And please join us on the website, have a look. Yes, in this video, leave some comments, and we hope to see you out there. And again, thank you to all the guys who put the hard work in to make this all happen. Hoorah guys, see you out there. Cheers.